my name's Alyssa Cook, and I'm the Internet Manager at Graf Chevrolet in Mount Pleasant. And I love Cobalt because our advocate Chris Schmidt is awesome. He gets our ads up really quick and makes changes when we need him to.
Hi, I'm Paul Brodowitz, Internet Director at Profile Motors in Conway, New Hampshire. I'm doing this video about Cobalt websites. What do I like best about Cobalt is they've been very easy to work with. They've been very responsive to my needs and getting things done as I ask for them to get done. It's all been pretty seamless. Mike Hoagland has been phenomenal in working with me and getting things done, and very understanding of where I'm trying to come from.
Thank God for my wonderfully talented Jonna Thompson. She makes my life so simple and we can sell more cars. Thank you, Cobalt. Thank you, Jonna.
Research, look at this. Look at this website from Cobalt. It's the best. Look at Vehicle of the Month. Let the sun shine in. Chevy Bolt. Look at that caption. Look at all this great stuff from Cobalt. It's the best. Jonna's the best. She hooked us up. We're all set to go. We're going to sell more cars and we know what to do with. Jonna, Cobalt, they're the greatest. Look at all this stuff on here. It's crazy.
Whoa, calm down.
I can't calm down. This is the best stuff I've ever seen in my entire life. I'm so excited I can't wait.
Hi, I'm Daniel Wingard with the Bunnin Auto Group, the Business Development Director here, and I just want to give a heartfelt thanks to Nick Villasenor and Mark Fussell as our dealership advocate. Mark and Nick have done a fantastic job in helping us out in pretty much anything we need. And, you know, anything I can say about them is always positive. So good work, guys. Keep it up.
This is John Paternus. I'm the Internet Manager here at Quality Lincoln Mercury Hyundai in Millville, New Jersey. And the question is, why I like Cobalt? The answer is, why shouldn't I? They employ great people like Karen Long and Dave Poe who understand the needs of the dealer, and they answer those needs. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Daisy Garcia, Internet Sales Manager at Webb Hyundai in Highland, Indiana. What I like most about Cobalt is probably our rep, Cincinnati. Hi, Cincinnati. Everyone has been so helpful. Anytime I call in and Cincinnati's not available, they make sure to direct me to the right person. Cincinnati is always make sure that all our service specials are up. He always makes sure that he gives us new ideas for our website, things that are going to help us to get more leads and traffic in. I definitely have enjoyed Cobalt, and I really want to thank everyone at Cobalt for making it a great experience.
Good afternoon, folks. My name is Moses Kira, the Internet Sales Manager for Crystal Automall in Brooklyn, New York. I just wanted to share with you guys, and I'm happy to have the opportunity to let you know why I personally like Cobalt. I've been working with them for years. Recently got the pleasure of working with Andy Barnes, which is my advocate. I got to tell you, he's very creative because I'm picky myself on designing stuff to stay as close to the factory as I can, but as well as to set my dealership aside from others. Andy's great with it. He's very good on the technical aspect as well.
Hi, my name is Martin D'Amato. I'm with Pine Belt Chevrolet of Eatontown. We've been with the Cobalt Group for several years now. My favorite thing about the Cobalt Group is our advocate, Josh Bates. He's completely hands-on with everything. Very easy to talk to, very easy to reach. We seem to be on the same page.
Hi, this is Noah here with Moore Chevrolet in Fillmore. I have nothing but great things to say about Cobalt, especially our account advocate, Jennifer. She's done a great job redesigning our website, and I've really noticed a lot of increased traffic and a lot more internet sales thanks to her.